Welcome to OptinexTech. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a customizable, dynamic progress bar component in React. You'll learn how to create a sleek, animated progress bar, style it with CSS, and control its behavior with props like progress, color, and height. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to our src folder. Here, we'll create a new folder named ProgressBar. Inside the ProgressBar folder, we need to create two files, index.jsx which will contain our React component logic, progressbar.css which will handle the styling for our ProgressBar component. Moving to index.jsx, first we import a CSS file, progressbar.css, to style the ProgressBar. We define the ProgressBar component, which takes three props, progress, color, and height. The default values for color and height are set to blue and 16px respectively. Within the component, we define the progress style object. This object holds the inline styles that control the width, background color, and height of the progress bar. The width is set dynamically using the progress prop, which represents the percentage of completion. The background color and height are controlled by the color and height props. In the return statement, we structure the JSX. We create a div with a class of ProgressBar container. Inside it, another div is nested, which represents the actual progress bar. The style attribute of this inner div is set to the progress style object, ensuring that the progress bar's width, color, and height are applied correctly. Finally, we export the ProgressBar component so it can be used in other parts of the application. Moving to CSS file, we start by styling the ProgressBar container class. It takes up 100% of its parent's width, with a light gray background for contrast. The border radius, 10 pixels, creates rounded edges, and overflow, hidden prevents content from spilling outside. Lastly, margin, 20 pixels 0 adds vertical spacing between the progress bar and surrounding elements. Next, we style the inner ProgressBar class. We set its height to 100% to match the container's height and apply border radius 10 pixels for rounded corners. The transition width 0.3 second ease smoothly animates the width when the progress value changes, creating a fluid effect. Here, we import the useState and useEffect hooks from React and our custom ProgressBar component. Next, we initialize two state variables, progress to track the upload progress and is uploading to indicate whether the upload is in progress. The progress starts at 0 and is uploading starts as false. We define the startUpload function, which resets the progress and sets the upload state to true. When called, this function prepares the app to simulate an upload. Now, we use the useEffect hook to manage the upload progress logic. This effect runs when as uploading is true and progress is less than 100. It sets up an interval that updates the progress every second, increasing it by 10 until it reaches 100. Once complete, it clears the interval and resets the upload state. Here, we display the title and the progress bar. If the progress is less than 100, we show the progress bar along with the current percentage. Once the upload completes, we display Upload Complete. We also have a button that starts the upload process. If the upload is ongoing, the button is disabled to prevent starting another upload until the current one finishes. Welcome to our file upload progress simulation demo. When you first open the app, you'll see a title indicating that we are simulating file uploads. Below the title, there's a progress bar that starts at 0. Initially, the upload hasn't begun yet. You'll find a button labeled Start Upload. When you click this button, the progress resets to 0 and the upload process begins. As the upload progresses, you'll see the progress bar gradually fill up. Every second, the progress increases by 10%, giving you a smooth visual representation of the upload status. You'll also notice the text next to the progress bar updating to show the current upload percentage. Once the progress reaches 100%, the upload is complete. The progress bar will display fully filled, and the text will change to Upload Complete. You can then click the Reupload button to start the process over again. This simple and intuitive interface effectively demonstrates how progress bars can be used in applications to enhance user experience during uploads or similar tasks. And that's a wrap. We now have fully customized dynamic progress bar component in React which can be used in any React app. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for upcoming